In this video, we're showing you how to make this easy DIY Mickey Christmas ornament.
This is a fast, fun, and easy project. All you need is one big ornament, two medium ornaments, a marker to mark the spots, and a hot glue gun. Let's jump right into it.
We start this project off by marking where our Mickey ears will go. As shown here, we went about 1.25 inches out from the center. We then create holes melting right into the ornament using the hot tip on the glue gun. As you can see, we do this on both sides and then move on to assembling this ornament. To complete this project, you will add some glue where the holes are at, preferably clear glue if you have it, and then insert your small ornaments.
And that's it for the simple DIY Mickey ornament. You can also just glue the balls on there instead of poking the hole, but it looks better this way from the front and the back, and it holds better. Another thing you can do is you can add a bow right here on the top, and then it's a mini ornament. This is a really fun and easy DIY Mickey Christmas ornament. Let us know what you guys think about this one down in the comment section below. And you guys can see more of these Christmas crafts, like our DIY melted snowman ornament, our DIY Nagpur Christmas tree, and our DIY Grinch tree in our creative playlist. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.